Here I have PANASONIC Eluga i3, and let me show you how to enable here Google Backup on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use the apps icon, scroll down, and here you need to find and select settings. From the settings list, you need to scroll down again and choose here the backup and reset is under personal tab. Let's enable backup my data by using that switcher, and let's go back. Here you need to tap on backup account, and you need to set the backup account by tapping add account. Let me do it, the phone is checking info, so let's wait a couple of seconds. It's important to have the internet access right now. And here you can sign in into the Google account. You can do this in two ways. You can create a new account or you can use the existing one. In my case, let me use the existing one, so let me enter the email. Now let me tap next. It's time to enter the password. So let me do it. If you are ready, let's choose next right here. Tap I agree to terms of service and privacy policy. Let's leave backup to Google Drive enabled, tap next, and that's it. Now you can tap on backup account and choose your account, and everything went well. You just enable backup my data and add necessary backup account. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.